Ever heard someone say they're barking up the wrong tree? Or maybe spill the beans, confused? Don't worry, these expressions can boost your spoken English and help you sound more fluent. Let's uncover what they mean. In English, unusual expressions like these are everywhere, in casual chats, business meetings, and even emails. Knowing them doesn't just make you sound fluent, it builds confidence in professional and social settings. Today, let's decode some of the most fascinating ones. Many learners struggle with idioms and expressions that aren't literal. Imagine you're in a business meeting and someone says, "We need to address the elephant in the room." If you don't know what that means, you might feel lost. Expressions like these aren't just language, they're culture. And when you understand them, you're not just speaking, you're connecting. Let's explore these expressions and how you can use them confidently. Barking up the wrong tree, it means trying something that won't work. For example, our team thought social media ads would drive sales, but we were barking up the wrong tree. The problem was our website. Spill the beans, it means to tell a secret. For example, we have a surprise party planned for Sarah. Don't spill the beans. The ball is in your court. It means it's your turn to do something. For example, we've presented the proposal. Now the ball is in your court to decide. Break the ice. It means to start a conversation in a difficult situation. For example, to break the ice during the meeting, I shared a funny story about my weekend. Hit the nail on the head. It means to say exactly what's right. For example, your analysis hit the nail on the head. The issue is in our supply chain. Burning the midnight oil. It means working very late at night. For example, I've been burning the midnight oil preparing for tomorrow's client presentation. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. It means don't risk everything on one thing. For example, we should diversify our investments. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. On the same page. It means to agree or understand each other. For example, before we proceed, let's ensure we're on the same page about the project's timeline. Throw in the towel. It means to give up. For example, after months of trying to fix the old printer, we've decided to throw in the towel and buy a new one. Keep your eye on the ball. It means stay focused. For example, we're close to the deadline. Let's keep our eye on the ball and finalize this report. These expressions aren't just phrases. They're tools to communicate effectively and sound more natural. The most surprising, cut to the chase. It means getting straight to the point, ideal for business settings. It comes from old films where audiences wanted to skip the drama and get to the action. Imagine saying this in a meeting. Let's cut to the chase and discuss the key metrics. Professional, direct, and impactful. From barking up the wrong tree to cut to the chase, these expressions are your secret weapon to sounding fluent and professional in any conversation. Now it's your turn. Comment below with an expression you've heard but didn't understand, and I'll explain it in the next video. Don't forget to watch our Business English series for even more practical tips. See you there.